We invite all our guests to a formal opening ceremony so that you see with your own eyes our new excellent consulting center of Resonance Capital. I commit to providing you with all the necessary technical, advertising, and financial support for this office to be prosperous and benefit people. Let's support this grand event with applause. Thank you so much for your applause. I hope you appreciate our support for South African partners. And I strongly recommend that you visit our consulting center as often as possible and bring your potential partners there. You should understand that the office is not just a place where you can drink coffee. The office is a key working tool where 90% of your work is accomplished and the other 10% is simply bringing new potential partners there. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Alright. Well now, with your permission, I would like to bring you back to 2 months ago to Dubai, where we successfully held the first global international conference of Resonance Capital. I would like to point out an interesting and important fact. This event was attended by 200 delegates from 20 different countries, and South Africa was represented by 4 partners. According to my observations, not a single investment company has gathered at its first event so many leaders from 20 different countries. I want to tell you that this was quite an achievement, and I'm confident that this ability to attract leaders from all over the world explains the great interest in our company in the international market. Also, at the conference in Dubai, I, along with my colleague Yanis Mironis, shared the company's exciting news and many plans for the near future. We presented the legislative base of Resonance Capital, told you about the stages of the company's development, and much more. I think that today there is no sense in repeating this information, because now, in the conference hall, there are many new people who want to learn about the essence of Resonance Capital. Alright, I'm hoping for your full attention so that you will get in a good level of practical training today, which will start on your way to becoming highly qualified professionals who duly understand our company and its basic operating principles. So, let me begin my presentation of the company and our short-term plans with what I think is the most important factor. I'll start with legal information so that today you can see all of our documents and understand all the key aspects related to the legality of Resonance Capital. Our corporate history began 12 months ago when we established Resonance Capital Group LP in Scotland, a European jurisdiction, and launched a website where we offered only low-yield investment products from 144% to 192% per annum. Many of you remember these products very well. We chose the jurisdiction of Scotland for a reason. We like this country's business-friendly legislation and low profit taxation, only 6% per year. At the initial stage, until mid-June 2017, we traded using only our own capital. That means conducted prop trading activities and paid our clients small profit as our employees. That is why our first stage investment products were limited to low yield as well as limited by the number of available for purchase. However, when our customer base reached 15,000 clients, the Scottish law put forward a requirement to report on each of our employees separately and to pay a 20% tax, which is the standard tax rate for all UK employees who receive salaries. Realizing that this measure would reduce the yield on all our investment portfolios by 20%, we began to look for the best solution for our customers and considered several options to register our company in an international jurisdiction with the opportunity to obtain a financial license for brokerage and investment activities around the world. Our legal department reviewed more than 10 international jurisdictions, but from the best available options, where profit tax is under 10% per year, we found only two, and so we chose the Republic of Vanuatu. Therefore, on 9th of May 2017, we established the International Investment Fund Resonance Fund Management Limited, which provides services for trust management of customers' funds. The most important advantage of the fund is that our customers' funds work on the basis of our own capital. And you should understand that this fact minimizes the overall risks. Please see the financial license of our fund, issued by the Ministry of Finance and Economy of the Republic of Vanuatu. I want to draw your attention to the fact that anyone who wants to verify this information can go to the official website for registration and licensing of financial companies in Vanuatu and find our license. Please take a photo of this slide or write down a link listed here. At any time, through this website, you can send a request and check information about the legality of Resonance Fund Management Limited and the existence of its financial license by VFSC. I want you to understand how important it is for us that our partners fully understand all the legal aspects of Resonance Capital. I will say a few words about what the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission is, VFSC, and what advantages it gives to our customers. So, Vanuatu Financial Services Commission is an internationally recognized state financial regulation body, authorized to carry out actions on licensing and supervision of investment business activities and operation of financial service providers. Licensing requirements of Vanuatu Financial Services Commission are based on international legislations and legal acts of the advanced economies, which guarantee the clients of the companies operating under the VFSC jurisdiction access to high-quality financial services and their strict compliance with generally accepted international standards. The second document which I want to show you, and which you can also see on our website, is the Certificate of Incorporation of our fund, prepared by our legal department in the activities of any financial company. Frankly speaking, Without possessing this document, no financial company has the right to obtain a financial license, and therefore to receive money and manage third-party assets. This document is the Risk Disclosure Notice, and it is provided to all customers when registering on our website, in accordance with Markets in Financial Instruments legislation. It clearly states that each customer who addresses our company is considering the possibility of investing in high-risk derivative financial instruments through which the company operates its business. Here is another document without which one cannot imagine the existence of a legal financial company. This is anti-money laundering policy, or how to prevent laundering of corrupt money. Just always know that every legitimate company must have such a document. Without that, it has no right to carry out investment activities in any of market directions. There is to receive money and manage third-party assets. Another important and required document for any financial company is Know Your Customer policy, under which we verify each customer for compliance of his personal data with the data he provides when registering on the company's website. And the last document, which many companies forget about, but we in turn choose to highlight, is privacy policy, under which all personal data transferred by our customers when registering with the company is protected from disclosure. You must understand that none of your data will ever be disclosed to any third parties, except in cases of serious violation of international law. On our website, for all to access in legal information section, there is a full package of legal documents which has just been presented on the screen. This package of documents is extraordinary value because its main function is to show you in minute detail the entire legislative base of our company, so that you have understanding and confidence that at the level of international law we work absolutely legally, and that our license for financial activity allows us to legitimately work with third-party money and provide financial services to customers under the agreement. Thank you. In addition, many of our customers already know that in September 2017 we decided to convert the entire working capital of the company into cryptocurrencies. And to date, 85% of our working capital is concentrated in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and Dash cryptocurrencies. Obtained by us in the VFSC jurisdiction is no longer mandatory, since our company has completely transferred its operations to the cryptocurrency market. However, we reserve the right to be a licensed company until the end of the license validity period, until 9th of May 2018. Dear ladies and gentlemen, now I will show you another interesting part of our legislative framework. This is a very important document which has significantly simplified our work and given many new benefits to all our customers. Based on fact that Resonance Capital withdrew from the classical financial market and changed to its investment development vector to cryptocurrency market, our legal department made excellent decision to establish a new management company, Resonance Capital Management LP in Ireland, activities which are not subject to compulsory licensing. Therefore, we received the following advantages. First one, prestigious European jurisdiction. Second, no restrictions on cooperation with other European companies and banks. Third one, moderate tax treatment. Since 2003, the corporate tax rate is 12.5% per year. Fourth one, the possibility of concluding agreements in electronic form. And the fifth one, unhindered management of capital on the cryptocurrencies exchange. So, I present to you the company's main legal document with great pleasure, which opens up unlimited opportunities in the investment world for all of our customers. Right now, you can see the certificate of incorporation of Resonance Capital Management LP with registration number LP2132 and tax number 3506075H. And more importantly, each of you can verify this certificate on the official website of the company's registration office in Ireland. By the way, it will be useful for you to know that the Republic of Ireland is not an offshore jurisdiction and is not included in the blacklist of countries that do not exchange tax information. I hope you will join me in celebrating this milestone event, and I wish you all continued success and profits for the long term with our company, which operates in the best, most profitable and most popular cryptocurrency market. Please understand that now the most important document in our legal database, to which all of our customers can officially refer, is the Certificate of Incorporation of Resonance Capital Management LP in the jurisdiction of Ireland. I'm very happy to say that you no longer need to refer to the company's financial license in the Republic of Vanuatu, especially since Resonance Capital has successfully transferred its activities to an unlicensed field. Now that you understand how we operate legally, I want to ask you to pay close attention and listen to the essence of the Resonance Capital and what Resonance Capital is, and how you can freely work with a company from the territory of any country based on the International Companies Act. Resonance Capital is a mature brand that combines two areas of activity: consulting services on the selection and use of financial products, and an investment fund which operates in trust management of customer funds in the cryptocurrency market. Knowing that you understand about our investment funds activities, my next step is to give you information on Resonance Capital Consulting Centers and our partners who are engaged in advertising and promoting our company. It is important to understand that Resonance Capital Consulting Centers do not conduct any economic or financial activity. Our consulting centers are solely concerned with the provision of consulting services to individuals and legal entities on the selection and use of financial instruments. Therefore, Resonance Capital doesn't open and is not obliged to open its representative offices in different countries as a provider of financial services and investment products. Please understand that it's a very lengthy and complex process to register a financial company in the jurisdiction of each new country according to its own particular domestic legislation. And to my mind, this could be absolutely impossible in many countries. I have come to South Africa to conduct an honest and open conversation with you. Therefore, you need to know this key information and be able to properly present it to anyone. Resonance Capital, as a financial company, operates only on the basis of International Companies Act and provides its financial products to customers through a website. Resonance Capital doesn't need to obtain a financial license in any particular country because it doesn't conduct any economic and financial activity in the territory of different countries. On the other hand, each of our partners who promote our company has the right to enter into an individual agreement with us on opening of a consulting training center whose activities will be limited to provide advice on the selection of and working with financial instruments. It is perfectly legal to work in the territory of your country as company's partner without making any calculations in your office and not taking a penny from your visitors. You should consist only in consulting your visitors on choice of investment product and further training them on how to register with our company, run verifications, make deposit to accounts, buy products, and then withdraw their earned profits. In this case, your activity will resemble a classic training center which will keep tax accounting only at the level of your personal income. Your tax return will depend only on what income you have personally earned during this month, and from that income you can pay income tax in accordance with laws of your state. I hope you understand what I'm sharing with you in full transparency. It allows us to work honestly and correctly so that we all succeed in this activity. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to come back to conversation about the cryptocurrencies and investment products offered by Resonance Capital. On our official website, customers can choose one of 7 turnkey investment products. Each of them has a certain service life and return level. There are semi-annual investment portfolios of Start and Bronze, which bring 144% and 149% for 6 months respectively. There are also annual low-yield portfolios of Silver 185% per year, Gold 168% per year, Platinum 180% per year, and VIP 192% per year. And of course, our most popular product, which we consider as benchmark in the entire investment market, IPO portfolio with an annual return of 288%. So, let me explain to you how we get such a return. First of all, please note that today company's working capital is more than $110 million. Our managers have seen it proper to invest in the most liquid direction, the cryptocurrency market, 85%. By the way, the remaining 15% is stored as free cash. What is free cash? Free cash is money which we do not trade in case of unforeseen risks that can arise when working in financial markets. In other words, free cash is a financial cushion, and the bigger it is, the more confident company feels. It is very important to understand this. So, as you can see, now we are keenly focused on working with cryptocurrencies, since we understand that a profit of 288% per annum can only be made in the most volatile market, which is cryptocurrency market. No other market gives even 20% of return that we make on cryptocurrencies. I want to draw your attention to the fact that we take every nuance into account when developing our investment products. So initially, our primary goal was to make sure that we could earn this huge interest for our customers. I want to claim you thanks to our investment strategies. We have accrued over 400% of net profit for the recent 12 months in the cryptocurrency market only. And therefore, our investment products with an interest rate from 158% to 288% per annum are quite realistic and field proven. Now, by your permission, I will demonstrate to you our key figures for trading in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and Dash cryptocurrencies for the last 3 weeks before leaving for Christmas holidays in 2017. Please take a look at the slide. In total, we have made 56 short profitable trades for 3 weeks of December 2017. Thank you. I want to remind you that on our official website, we have designed trading reports section, where each Sunday you receive weekly reports on results of our trading for the previous week. Be sure to follow the new releases and carefully read the information posted by our traders. Dear partners, dear guests, my speech is nearing completion, and I would like all of us to applaud our management company for these incredible results. Please, let's stand up all together and applaud for our company and our key figures. Many thanks to Resonance Capital. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for your applause, dear friends. So, at the end of my speech, I would want to sum up some impressive results of our work for the last 12 months and to highlight current rewards to date and those which we will receive in the very near future. So please, attention. Point number 1. The company's working capital has increased from $5 million to $110 million for just 12 months. What an incredible result! Point 2. Our company traded in 5 markets, but we decided to give total preference to cryptocurrency market. After that, our results began to grow rapidly. This is another reason to say thanks to cryptocurrencies. Point 3. Resonance Capital has obtained an international license for operations with third-party investments in all financial markets. Next point, number 4. To date, the company's customer base totals more than 50,000 clients in 80 countries. Point 5. On October 17 last year, we established a new management company in European zone, which has its own registration and tax number in Ireland. All customers and agents of Resonance Capital have received many outstanding benefits in working with our company due to the choice of a better jurisdiction. Point 6. In early November 2017, we held the first international conference of Resonance Capital in Dubai, which you already know about, and which was attended by the major 200 leaders and investors from 20 countries, as well as the company's management. In 2018, we plan to launch at least 3 new investment areas. The first one is Resonance Capital Trade ICO, the product of which is our unique blockchain-based investment platform with full decentralization of smart contracts. Very soon, on March 15, 2018, to be exact, we will begin to attract investments in Resonance Capital Trade ICO, and we invite you to join in to increase the expected return. Resonance Capital Trade ICO will allow absolutely anyone to get in on the ground floor of a decentralized giant in the investment world. With your permission, I invite you to watch a small video about our investment platform Resonance Trading, for which we are launching Resonance Capital Trade ICO. Please watch this short video presentation on our new project, and after that I will come back to you with a few words to finish my report.
Resonance Trading is a unique blockchain-based investment platform that creates smart contracts through decentralization. This platform solves many investment problems, specifically 1. Misunderstanding of trade deal processes, lack of trading experience and analytics. 2. Single-term sample transactions, which can cause significant risks and fail to guarantee any profits. 3. Having mainly third-party agents involved in the centralized transaction system, which leads to low levels of profitability. 4. Fictitious third-party accounts that are deliberately based on financial pyramid schemes, which can result in loss of capital. 5. Many current exchange platforms do not use high-grade payment services, such as Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, lest they fail to instantaneously convert cryptocurrency assets. Resonance Trading is a blockchain-based author and trade platform that's revolutionizing the idea of internet investment activities thanks to our investment platform. It is time to rise to a new level. Now is the time to join Resonance Capital Trade ICO to maximize your expected gains. Resonance Capital Trade ICO encourages any interested person to participate in the new decentralized success story of this nascent investment market. A new trade market comes with new issues and complexities, not to mention a high bar of entry for those with little to no experience. To be able to see profits and draw money immediately, a new investor must choose a trusted and reliable trade platform that is easy to use from the get-go and which offers solutions that address the industry's issues. After studying the experience of thousands of traders worldwide, the Resonance Trading platform makes it possible to select the most sound and liquid trades with an independently formed investment corporate portfolio that will satisfy any investor requirements. High gains, low risk. All trade results will be recorded in the blockchain system and can be properly traced and stored without risk. Simply said, each investor has complete transparency to all information on any trades. Buy Resonance Capital Trace ICO tokens to become a co-owner of the investment giant for which expected dividend growth rate is maximally valued at 1,000% annually.
Well, dear friends, we have just seen a video presentation of our company's strongest investment offer. We are very pleased to have focused on such a promising area as ICO. And now this project is under development and preparing to launch. The ICO launch is scheduled on March 15. Do not miss it. It will be a milestone event. Okay, let's move forward. The second area is resonance capital mining. We invite you to start mining cryptocurrencies along with us. We are encouraging our partners to purchase the mining equipment and host it in our data center. Our IT experts will monitor the equipment and we will pay you a weekly income in one of several cryptocurrencies of your choice. Upon expiration of the contract, you can choose to withdraw the equipment or extend the contract and leave the equipment in our data center for further profit generation. Yeah. The launch of Resonance Capital Mining is expected in July 2018. And finally, the third area is a new product line of investment portfolios, RC Crypto Pool, which you heard about at our international conference in Dubai and watched video. So, we're moving to point number 8. In 2018, we have begun to hold international business seminars on working with Resonance Capital. The first country is South Africa. Yes, South Africa. And I'm very, very grateful for your warm welcome. Thank you so much. So the second country is India on February 24. The third country is Vietnam on March 10. The fourth country is Nigeria, April 21. In addition, in the near future, we plan to visit a few more countries, and the schedule will be announced on the company's official website very soon. So next point, number 9. Following up our conversation about international seminars. As you know, Resonance Capital has announced a promotion for the second international conference to be held in Thailand. The promotion requirements are very simple. Only $35,000 in sales volume of your structure's first downline qualifies you for a trip to a major event dedicated to our company's anniversary. Let me remind you that our first conference in Dubai was attended by 4 delegates from South Africa. And we expect our next conference to be attended by more than 10 delegates from South Africa. We are looking forward to seeing you soon in Thailand, dear partners. Thank you so much. So, and let's move forward to the last point before I finish my speech. Point number 10. Finally, start using the most profitable investment products in the global financial market. From the start and bronze portfolios to IPO portfolio. I urge you to make the right decision right now. Contact your mentor just after the conference and ask him for his informed and educated advice. Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear guests, I wish for you all to become customers of our company yet today and reap so many benefits that await you. Today is the best time to start building a global business together with Resonance Capital. Well, on this positive note, I'm going to finish my speech. I want to say thank you so much for your attention and your warm welcome. It was a great honor for me to be on this stage here with you and share this valuable information about our company with you today. Thank you so much, dear friends. Thank you. See you soon.
English, and so is ICO. I take ICO on my birthday. Then you know, if you really love me. If you don't, then Bitcoin. But anyway, for like an hour and a half, slambile. Minang chasing lambile. Lomkabang winang amataisi. Yeah. So please, guys, if you have any questions, I mean, you've got the top partners here. If they want to ask anything during their lunch, just wait for them to finish their food. And remember, there's no such thing as a stupid question, except for, are you sleeping? Because you can't really answer that question if you are. Okay. So thank you very much, and we'll see you very soon in an hour and a half. Please don't be late. Let's go. Thank you very much. Will I satisfy you?